Hi there, it's Pascal here. So in this video, I just want to give you one of the the secrets that helped me go from $0 to $10,000 a month in my online business, because I found out a lot of people reach out to me through email, phone calls, and maybe some on my YouTube channel, and they kind of ask me different questions of what is it that I did, what was the secret behind me achieving that sort of result. Because a lot of people have tried online business in the past. Maybe it's affiliate marketing, maybe it's e-commerce, or maybe it's their own personal experiences or journeys, but they couldn't get to the point where they were able to make any meaningful returns out of their investment. As a result, they quit, and they call, if you tell them anything about online business now, they label it as a scam, or it doesn't work, or people are very highly skeptical in starting a business online, and I get that. But one of the things I would say to you is that helped me was two things. If you're gonna succeed in online business or any venture, you're gonna change your lifestyle, you have to understand something. You have to be teachable and coachable, and you have to be willing to change. Because if you're listening to this audio now, watching this video, there's a good chance that you're interested in online business, or you have some sort of desire to change something in your life, and you don't understand. Maybe you're looking for information. That means that you're teachable. That means that you're teachable. You're doing the research. You're doing your due diligence to find out what is working. What best suits you, or based on your finances and your dreams and your goals and your ambitions, what do you want to achieve? But on the other hand, and this is where the rubber meets the road, really. This is where everything boils down to. Because on a scale to 1 to 10, how teachable are you? I'll presume, because you're watching all these videos, it's gonna be on the high side. Maybe it's a 10. But the second part is, what is your willingness to change or to accept change? Because what I want you to understand is, where you are now in life, it doesn't matter. Maybe you might be a doctor, you might be a consultant, it doesn't matter. You have a problem, that's why you're doing all this research. What is your chances of change, accepting change? Because what you want to understand is, where you are now is a sum total of what you have, what your thinking can produce. You can't go outside of that. So you must accept change. So you might be willing to learn, sign up for a training course, program. You're willing to learn, but you have to be willing to change, especially the way you think. Because you might be looking at online business, you pass a judgment on it, but you don't know. You might pass a very vital training that will help you, and because of the way you think, maybe it's a scam, or these guys want my money, it's a pyramid scheme. These are all thought patterns. You're willing to learn, but you're not willing to change. So if you're willing to change, if your teachable is like 10 out of 10, and your willingness to accept change is 0, 10 times 0 is 0. You will continue to get what you already have. If you continue to do what you're doing, you will continue to get what you already got. The strangest secret is, you will become what you think about. The first thing you need to change is your thought pattern. Because what I want you to realize is, how you arrive to where you are today is your thought pattern that brought you there. So if it's not good, it's the same thought pattern that needs to change, nothing else. You have to accept that there are some things, and the only way to change, one of the ways I found, incredible ways, you have to read books. If you tell me before, Pascal, read this book, it's boring, I don't want to read, I was willing to learn, but I was not willing to change. So until I started reading, the very first day I listened to El Nightingale, The Strangest Secret. I've not stopped listening to it. It opened my eyes. So I will recommend you. It's on YouTube. Just Google it. It's only 30 minutes. Sit down and switch off everything and just listen word by word what he says in those audios. You will get light bulb moments. You will get light bulb moments. And understand this, that is just the beginning. It doesn't mean that your life has changed, because he explained what to do to get out of it, what to get what you want in life. So you have to accept change. All right, that's my share for you guys today, and I hope you guys find it interesting. So the message here is really one thing: you have to be willing to accept change if you're really gonna make any significant change in your life. That is the bottom line. Accept. You don't know. It's okay. There's no point beating yourself up. Just accept that you don't, and go to somebody who knows. That's why Tony Robbins said, if you're trying to do something you've not done before, you're trying to change something in life, you've not done it before, go to somebody who has done it. You're trying to get 10,000 bucks in a month. You haven't done it before. You don't know how it's going to happen. Go to somebody who has already proven that he has done it. Get them to train you. You're going to encounter a lot of challenges, but it's the person that will be walking you, because it's somewhere you've not been. It's simple. It's overcoming fears. All these little fears that you have now. It's a scam, my money will finish. All these things, you gotta go through it. It's a wall. It's hot when when you start doing it. But when you come out on the other side, you'll be like, whoa, that was a hell of a ride. I did it. That's how it happened. Now if I look back, I'm like, I want to double it, because 10 is nothing. You can do 20. That's the secret. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm sharing with you, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.